Audience feedback has been essential to my magazine production, as it has helped me to correctly reflect the codes and conventions of the football magazine genre and create a product that matches up to the industry standards. As part of this process, my audience has provided me with verbal comments and suggestions, completed online surveys and polls, and sent me messages via social media. There were 4 different drafts that I completed for my magazine, and for each one I made the effort to make the alterations that my audience had advised. The front page, particularly the masthead and slogan, underwent major changes because of that. My audience said that the font size and font type for the masthead did not feel appropriate for the style of magazine I was aiming to produce, nor did it look distinctive and unique enough to carry itself as a brand. This led to me trying out a number of different sans serif fonts, and adding a cartoon football to make it obvious what the magazine is about, what audience it is trying to appeal. Moreover, the audience advised me how to make the slogan complement the masthead, using a smaller, more subtle font. Other parts of the front page that progressed because of the audience feedback included the sticker, banner, and the cover lines. These are all generic features of a magazine, but the feedback helped the visual design of these improve and pushed me to make these elements more prominent on the page. Moving on to consider the contents page, there were a couple of noticeable differences that stemmed from audience feedback, such as the switch to A3 size paper from A4. This allowed me more freedom when it came to positioning the different parts of the page, and meant I could increase the size of the text so that it was easier to read without the page feeling overly clustered. The editor's note was also something that was improved because of my audience's comments, so I was able to incorporate an image of the editor into the latest draft. Plus, the idea for wrapping text around the image and including a signature from the editor originated from the audience and worked really well in the final product, with Real Life magazine to do the same thing. Finally, the audience said that the earlier drafts of my double-page spread showed too much resemblance to a newspaper. I was able to change this response by switching the image square across both pages, rather than placing it on one side of the spread. While I was unable to use the image as a background due to the lighting and how it would clash with the colour of my copy's text, I feel like the final structure of the page is effectively. Adding image captions, including more images and pull quotes, as well as making my text fit into the columns were some of the other suggestions that I took on board, and ended up being very beneficial to the final outcome of my magazine.